Good morning everyone, my name is Janvi Digapal from grade 3rd. Today I am doing my 6th experiment. Its name is magnet experiment. For that I need few things. And magnet. We use magnet in our day-to-day life. Like for doors, geometric little box and refrigerators, there's a door. Can magnet attract all types of magnets?
Objects.
Let's know it. We have few things here to know about magnetic and non-magnetic objects. It's non-magnetic. It's non-magnetic. It's magnetic. It's non-magnetic. It's non-magnetic. It's magnetic. Experiment. I came to know about the magnetic and non-magnetic